How to stop auto update apps on your phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to disable auto update apps on your Android phone, then here's the real guide of how you can do this. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to stop auto update apps, the very first thing that you have to do, go and open up the Play Store from your Android phone. And from the Play Store, simply go and tap on this profile icon at the top right, and then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Settings. Now, once you're here inside the settings, go ahead and tap on Network Preferences, the second option. And inside this one, he'll get to see the auto update apps. You just need to tap on this, and he'll get to see it's currently selected update over Wi-Fi only. That means all the app will be automatically updated over Wi-Fi. So if you're not completely disable this, you'll get to see the last option, don't auto update apps. If you select that, from now your phone is not gonna update any apps automatically. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.